Hello guys, so today we are going to be making a bento pack with our craft paper. This is the one I made with the other card with the material for cake boards. And now I'll be using our craft paper to make this one. So for this project, we're measuring 20.5 inches by 9 inches. Measure 20.5 inches by 9 inches. This ruler is 12 inches long. The length of the ruler is 12 inches. So I will first of all do 12. This is 12 inches. I'll make a very light mark. Use 12 inches. 12 inches plus 8 is 20. So plus 8.5, that will be 20.5. So this is 20.5 here. So this is where I have 20.5. So I'll measure 9.5 from here because our dimension is 20.5 by 9.5. So this is where 9.5 is. I'll measure another 9.5. So the line I'll make will be straight. If I'm using a much longer ruler, I'll just rule once. But since my ruler is short, I'll measure 9.5 like 3 times. So when I'm joining the points, I'll achieve a straight line.
Just do paper box. Eh?
I'm videoing. Your voice will thank my video.
Yes.
No. So here I'm just trying to confirm my measurements, trying to check if it's accurate because sometimes while reeling I make mistakes of point 0.5 or point 0.1, just little errors here and there. So I'm just trying to make sure my measurements are accurate, checking all the sides whether I was checking this side if it's actually up to 9.5. I made a mistake of about point 2, so I'll just check in other sides. So I've checked and all the sides are accurate. I'll go ahead to cut out my measurements. It's 20.5 by 9.5 inches. you should use a pencil for this. So now I'll start by measuring 2 inches from one end. 2 inches here and 2 inches here. So it's better to use a pencil for this. This is just for the sake of the class. So I'm making use of a pen. But when you're making it for use, you won't like pen stains to show on what you're doing. So I'll do here 2 inches. Then I'll come here and measure 5.5. Come here and measure 5.5. This is 5. This is 5.5. 5.5. This is 5.5. 5.5. Now you here. So now come measure 2, another 2 inches. 2 inches. So I'll measure another 2 inches. Just take note of what I'm doing. So 2 inches. Then I'll measure 5.5. This is 5.5. This is another 5.5. Roll down, then I measure 2 inches. I measure 2 inches. And roll it. Then after these 2 inches, I measure 1 inch. 1 inch. 1 inch. And I'm left with 0.5 inches here. Now I'll come this way on this long side of the paper and measure 2 inches. 2 inches here. 2 inches here. So I measured 2 inches here and 2 inches here. So I'm going to join the dots I'll rule it down here. And do it down here. From time to time, keep checking out for the size of your, keep checking out your measurements so you don't make mistakes anyway. So I'll also come here, measure 2 inches and 2 inches here. Then I'll join the dots. Put it down here and down here. So this is what we have. So this is what we have. Now we'll come down here to all the 2 inches boxes we have down here and measure 0.6 on both sides. So from the start here, so from here to measure 0.6. So this is 0.5, this is 0.6 here, and then we come here, measure another 0.6, this is 0.5, and this is 0.6, meaning between 0.6 and 0.6 we have 0.8 at the middle. Then from this point we made down here, you drew the line to the edge of this square. Drew a line down. Do the same thing here. Drew a line down. So drew 2 lines here. So you come to this other square and measure 0.6, that's 0.6, this is 0.5, and this is 0.6. And come here and measure 0.6, so this is 0.5, and this is 0.6, then we have 0.8 at the middle. And the ruler line. Then do the same thing here. 0.6, 0.6. This is 0.5, this is 0.6. And we need to mark. Come here, same thing on all the 2 inches boxes. This is 0.5, this is 0.6. Same thing here. This is 0.5, this is 0.6. Make your mark. This is 0.6. You do it on all the 2 inches boxes and you rule to the edge of the square. Do it here and you rule here. So we are done with these down parts. are done with this down part, we are going to repeat this process on this upside on all the 2 inches boxes. So now 0.6, 0.6, here also 0.6. I'll go here 0.6, 0.6, and go here 0.6, 0.6, and the last one, and go here 0.6, and here 0.6. So just make all the lines from the point here to the edge of the square. From the point here to the edge of the square. So the lines here and 0.3. Once you've gotten this part, this is the only part that looks like it's technical, but once you've gotten this part, your box is ready. Good. So this is what it should look like. This is what it should look like. So at this point, I'll grab my craft knife and I'll start cutting. Note where I'm starting from. I'm starting from this side. I'm starting from this side, the side that has 2-inch box and 5-inch box. This is the side I'm starting with. So I come here and I cut. I follow the line I made initially and I cut. This goes off. I come here, so this line here, and I cut. When doing this, you should use a pencil so you don't have biro stains all over. But I'm doing this so you can actually see what I'm doing. So here, so all the cuts you're making them along the lines, along these V lines you made earlier. Cuts, here, and the cuts here. This side goes off. And cuts here, and it cuts here. Cuts here. Make sure you're doing the cuts only along the V lines you made earlier. Cuts here. And the cuts here. Cuts here. And this one goes off. Here it goes off. Cuts here. Cuts here. And cuts here. This side goes off. So this is what we are left with. So at this point, we start folding. I'll use this to make inscriptions on the lines, so it will be easy to fold. So I start folding here, fold here, fold here, and folding along these lines. Fold here. I made inscriptions with a sharp object. That's why it's easier for me to fold. Fold. Fold here. Fold here. And lastly, fold here. I also come to the sides, fold all this little edges, fold here, fold here. You fold everywhere you have lines. Fold. Fold here. Fold here. Fold here. Fold here. Keep folding everywhere you have lines. And fold it. So here, try to come here and cut. You don't need this size. Cut the sides off. So it is at this point we begin gluing. So you glue like this. You glue. Now, the part that has this 0.5, the part that has this 0.5 area will be our top, because this will be the cover. This is how the box will be, like this. So it is at this point I'll make a cut for the see-through top, just like this one I made previously. It has a see-through top. So I'll make a cut. I'll just make a small cut, say 1.5. Just make a small cut. This is an acetate sheet, so that's what I'll be using here. This is my gum. I'll just apply it around the box. So I'll let it to dry a bit before applying. Now let's gum. Let's start gluing. Apply gum here. Apply here. Apply there. Apply here as well. Apply on all the triangles. Apply here. So we'll start from here. Glue this part like this. Glue this part there. Bring this one here. Bring this one there. This is the base of the box. Now bring this one here. Bring this one here. Bring this one here. Bring this one here. Then we are left with the incision we made, the opening that we made. So this is what we have now. This is what we have. So this part will remain. So you come here to this 0.5 allowance to cut off. Come here, cut. So now, this is how the box will be. Oh, this has not glued properly. However, this is how the box will be. This is how our box should be. And this place will go here. So I'll simply take the measurements. I'll simply take the measurement of where I cut out here to here. I didn't take it properly last time. Here to here. And I'll use my craft knife. I'll use my craft knife to make the incision. Okay. From here to here was the line I made. So I just want to thicken it so I can see it from inside. Okay. So yes, this is it. So it comes like this. It just comes like this. And this place goes into the hole we made. Goes into the hole. So this is our box. So these are our bento boxes. This is the initial one I made. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you try this out and send your reviews. Thank you.